Take a look at this YouTube channel. Most of the videos have around 200,000 views. It is safe to assume that this channel generates significant revenue. First, check out how these videos are crafted.
Once upon a time, there were two very different men. The first man was very rich and lived in a big, beautiful house. He wore the fanciest clothes and ate the most delicious food every day. Not far from his house, right by the gate, there was another man named Lazarus. Lazarus was very poor and he was sick. He didn't have a home or nice clothes and he was very hungry. All he wanted was to eat the crumbs that fell from the rich man's table.
To create something similar, we need a script for our video. You can use either ChatGPT or Bard. If you're struggling with ideas, don't worry. MyTale is an amazing AI tool where you can find an array of interesting stories. Just copy any story and ask ChatGPT to rewrite it. Log in with your Discord account. To create a video, type / and click on Create a Video. Now, for the prompts, go back to ChatGPT and ask it to craft some prompts for image generation based on our script. Then, copy the first prompt and paste it into the prompt box. Next, select the style. In the negative prompt, write what you don't want to see in your video. For instance, I don't want any extra body parts, so I'll mention this. Then, select the aspect ratio and click Create. It gives you 4 options. Select the one you like and click on Download. Repeat these steps for the rest of the prompts. Just paste the script here, select a voice, and click Generate Speech. After previewing the audio, click on Download button. To align all of these scenes, I am going to use Clipchamp. Just upload all the scenes, then drag and drop them into the timeline. Also, add catchy music to make it more engaging. Additionally, include some sound effects. When you are done, click on Download.
In a world where the laws of physics don't apply, Asher and her family moved into a new house on the edge of town. The old Victorian mansion had a mysterious feel with its creaky floors and dimly lit hallways. As Asher explored the house, she found a hidden room behind a bookshelf in the attic. Inside, there was a dusty old chest filled with yellowed papers and faded photographs. Among them was a map with strange symbols and a handwritten note that said, "The key lies in the past." Curious, Asher showed her discovery to her younger sister, Brian.
If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and clicking on the bell icon for more updates about AI tools.